Weather Bulletin.
Weather message. For the following county: Marshall County, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County in northern West Virginia until 11:59 p.m. At 7 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing softball-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 95 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Moundsville, Glendale, McMecken, Benwood, Cameron. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, this storm is producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Do not go outdoors, lightning is a killer. Please report severe weather by calling 412-226-21988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.